Hi everyone, and welcome to our Learn With Me series. My name is Abby, and in today's Learn With Me series, we'll be learning how to embroider on a nylon screen together. This project has been trending on social media, and I thought it would be a great idea to do this project today. Stitching on a screen can sound difficult, but it's actually a really fun and easy project you can do at home. So you can do many things with a nylon screen. You can turn it into a beach tote or screen doors, or you can even frame it, which is what we're going to be doing with this hand embroidery hoop. So the supplies we will be using today starts with our design, which we got from urbanthreads.com. It's important to print off the design you're doing to make sure you have all the colors you need, and if you're going to be changing up any of the colors. Right now we only have to focus on one color. So next is the thread we'll be using, and it's a poly-neon thread from Madeira, which you can get on allstitch.com. Next we have our Violin water-soluble backing. Then we have our nylon screen, which you can get on Amazon or any hardware store. And you will then need a temporary adhesive spray. We have the 505 temporary adhesive spray, which you can get on allstitch.com. Next, you will then need your embroidery hoops, which should come with your machine. And as you can see, we have our frame, which is an embroidery hoop, which we will be using. We are upcycling this, but you can also get this at any embroidery store or on Amazon or anywhere online pretty much. The first step is to spray a small amount of 505 adhesive onto the stabilizer. I already pre-cut 2 pieces of the stabilizer already. You then want to place the screen over the top. Next, you want to hoop the screen and stabilizer together. Make sure it is hooped tightly. We then loaded our design onto the machine, and you can start embroidering. Now that the design has finished stitching, we want to unhoop it and trim the stabilizer close to the design. We then soak the screen, stabilizer, and design in the water until the stabilizer has completely dissolved. You then want to let the screen and the design air dry. So now that the screen is dry, we will now be framing it into our hand embroidery hoop, which will be for display. You then want to hoop the screen. You want to try to get it in the center as close as you can. It might take a few tries. And you want to make sure that it is also very tight. You then want to flip the hoop over and using a blade, cut the excess screen. So here is a finished version of the completed project. The thread that we used here is our metallic thread, which you can also get on allstitch.com. Thank you for joining me in today's Learn With Me. Feel free to check out our other videos in our series, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
All Stitch, all the supplies, all the savings, every day.